Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my mini happy planner, which is the dashboard layout. This is the current week, and then we are filming now for January 15th through the 21st. I am going to be using Crisp Winter. These are stickers that are available in my shop. I've somehow got a drip of some soda or coffee or something on here, so we got to try to cover that up. But I'm going to be using the small and the mini sticker sheets, and then the small kit. The small kits just, I don't know, they fit the mini happy planners much better. And then I think I might try to use a little bit of this kind of like arrow print washi. I don't know. Just to throw a little bit of washi in there. And then, let's see, I need to find some quotes. Let's see, I think I want to use some of my new faith quotes. I think I'm going to use So Will I. Yeah, I think I'm going to use So Will I, Psalm 148. So let's get started. First thing I want to do is try to cover up this mess up here. And I'm going to white out. I wish Happy Planner wouldn't do this, but they put these quotes down at the bottom of like every other page on their dashboard layout. I wish they hadn't have done that, but it's okay. And I think I'm going to go all the way to the bottom with this. Oh, that's crooked, and I just ripped my page. Okay. I'm probably going to have to punch. Let me go ahead and punch that hole out. This is the Crocodile Punch by We Are Memory Keepers. I think I have it listed down in the description below. Just makes life a lot easier whenever you're trying to just punch one or two holes versus grabbing the big hole punch and trying to line things up perfectly. All right, so we got that there, and then I think I'm going to put a quote in between two decorative stickers down here. So we have that, and then let's cut off this excess. All right, now I think I'm going to leave the headers as they are and maybe put a couple boxes in. Let's see. I think I'm going to put a big, like a long box, and then stagger another box and kind of decorate around it. So let's take a blue box. And we'll white out the colors here. And then let's find a sticker to go on top. I think we'll use this one. Oops. Okay, that's cute. And what else do we want to do? I kind of want to do something under here. I think we're going to attempt to cut this sticker and go under these boxes. Now, that's not going to be a perfect cut because I just freehanded it, but we're going to attempt to fix it once I actually lay it down. Unless I can somehow make it work. I don't know, we'll see. Actually, it worked. I am shocked. Okay, that is really cute. And then off camera, if you can see, you can tell that these stickers are laid down on the sheet. Off camera, I'll just kind of smooth everything out with my tweezers to make the stickers look like they sit directly on the page. And then let's go ahead and move to this other side. And I think what I'm going to do is, I don't know what I'm going to do. So we could, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we're going to take this and come right down here, because I'm going to stagger boxes and decorative stuff. So I'm just trying to kind of eyeball where I want everything. Let me grab my hole punch again. I'm filming this on National Sticker Day, and let me just say I am so appreciative of all of your orders. Every time I get an order, I say thank you, Jesus. Like, it's such a blessing, because 2023 was a very slow year for my shop. And I'm praying that 2024 will pick up financially, because I actually only made, I just had to pause. Kevin just called. He's bringing me food. He knows I don't feed myself. He's so sweet. So, all right, let's continue on. Now I kind of want to think about this. Okay. I'm trying to look at my stickers to see what I want to lay down. Okay, I have an idea. So we'll put the red one here. And then we'll stagger. And we'll do this brownish color over here. I'm trying to think what I can lay down beside it. Okay. And then we'll do the blue here. And I think I'm going to take a little bit of this scallop washi. So all of my sticker kits have this scallop washi. I just don't use it very often. I don't find myself going to it, but I know you guys really like it. So I'm definitely going to keep it on my kits. I just, for some reason, I'm not good at utilizing it myself. So we're going to use it today. And I may actually use a piece over here somewhere. Since I don't have any brown over here, I'm going to use a little piece, maybe, probably just like right here on this blue box, just so that I have scallop washi on both pages. Okay. All right, this is so pretty so far, y'all. I feel like I got my mojo back with my planner spreads. Yeah, I feel like I'm getting it back. So I'm very pleased with that. And let's see. I want to use this. I can't grab it. There we go. I'm going to cut a little bit down the side so that I can just lay it right beside my box. Oh, I ordered a new removable sticker paper from the new company that I'm using. And I'm going to try it out. And I may make all of my white paper stickers. If I like the paper, I may go ahead and make all of my paper stickers the removable paper. So we'll see how that goes. I just ordered it today. So maybe we will have all removable sticker paper in the near future. All right, I'm going to take this ice skate and put down here beside this box, this blue box. I accidentally ripped it just a little bit, so I got to be careful. Okay, and then I want one more to go here beside the brown box, and I think I'm going to use a basket like here. This is so cute. Look how cute this is, y'all. Okay, now is there anything else that I need? I really want to use this somewhere, so I think we're going to put it up top here. So I'm just going to trim straight across and lay it right here. That's really cute. Look how cute this little spread is, y'all. Okay, I think I'm finished. Oh wait, I didn't do any washi. So let me see if I can incorporate some of this black and white washi in here somewhere to kind of go with my quotes. Whenever I use black quotes, I like to put a little bit of other type of black something on the spread. So we'll put a little bit of that there. Maybe just a little bit down here. Somebody's outside in another yard. One of my neighbors is out there shooting a gun. I keep hearing it. All right, so that's just enough to add a little bit of black to the spread. So let's put a little bit down here. I think I'm gonna go at the top of this box. Ugh, this tiny little washi is so hard to work with. Okay. And then I think we'll put a little bit down here. Just enough. Do I want a little bit more? Maybe, oh wait, I put some of that there. Okay, I guess that's gonna be enough. All right, so just a tiny bit of washi. Let's put it back in my planner, see what it looks like. These mini videos are always so super quick, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this little short video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram and TikTok as well. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank y'all so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.